Okay, it's a rainy day. Right, this is the third part of a video on the rear brake. So what we're doing here is we're doing the electronic parking brake or electronic handbrake bedding in process. So there's some funky things you can do. So you'll do this if you fitted new rear brake pads, and we've done a video on that. Ian will do the video on that. Right, and then you also have to have adjusted the rear brakes, and we've done a video on that. Ian will do the little point to that one. So this is the third part now, and now having fitted and adjusted them, we need to bed them in. Now, right, there's a guy's posted a thing on the internet. I can't remember his
Bodsy's Brake Bible.
Bodsy's Brake Bible, and he's shown us how to do it. So credit to him, and we'll put the link below in the comments. We'll put he's written all this out. But it's sometimes better to do it on video. So, right, we're going to have a go at doing this. We have had a practice go, so we think we've got it sorted. So, first of all, car's in brake. Let's start the car up. Okay, foot on the brake to start it. Right, it's in park. Okay, we're going to leave it in park. I'm now going to press the brake pedal 3 times and hold it down on the third go. 1, release, 2, release, 3, hold. Right, then I'm gonna pull the brake thing up.
The handbrake switch up 4.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Down 3.
1, 2, 3. Right, now I didn't do it quick enough, because when I do it correctly, it will come up in again. Now you've got to do the whole thing quick. So here we go. We'll try it again. 1, 2, 3, hold. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Nope.
Oh.
Try it again. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. No. Right, let's try that again. So brake pedal 3 times and hold. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. There we go. So EPB service mode. So you may have to do it a couple of times. Even we've practiced and we can't get it right. Right. So now what we're going to do, we're going to put it in drive, and we need to get to 25 miles an hour. We've got a fairly quiet bit of road in front of us, the quietest bit we could find. Right, here we go. So we're going to get it up to 25 miles an hour. So you've got to be between 19 and 29.
So if you hit 30, it cancels the whole process.
Right, so here we go. 60, we're out of fuel. 17, 18, 19, a little bit faster. Right, now we're going to pull the handbrake lever up and hold it up. Hold it up, hold it up until the car comes to a stop. Okay, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. And you hear it go to a stop. We're going to release that now, and then we're going to do that again. So let's get up to speed. We've got to do this 10 times, right, Ian? 18, yep. 19, 20.
There we go.
Press, and you can't just pull it up.
If you just pull it up and don't hold
it,
it slows down to like 13 we found, but it doesn't stop you completely. So that's 2. So you're supposed to let your brakes cool right down between them as well.
Yeah, it's supposed to be far. We'll take it for a bit of a drive after this one.
Between things, but we don't think you need to wait a whole minute to let it cool down. They can't be getting that hot.
It's grinding though. You can hear them screeching at the back. Right, let's get around this chicane. Let the brakes cool down.
Just don't go too fast.
Oh yeah. You're right. Yeah.
So you can drive to a clear patch of road or to turn around or something if you need to, but you just need to make sure you don't go over 29 miles an hour.
Right.
So we should still be getting the message up saying that we're in service mode, which we are.
Yeah, ignore my low fuel level.
If that disappears, then you need to start the whole process again.
Right, so we've got a bit of a straight coming up again now. So let's get 19, 20. Right, let's try it there. 22, that'll do. Pull and hold. 30, 12, 10. Alright, good. Alright, how many times have we done it now?
That's 3. too fast.
Pull and hold.
They're squeaking less than they were to start with.
Yeah.
They do seem to be having an effect on that. That's 4. There you go, that'll do.
Alright, pull and hold. No squeaking at all that time.
That time.
Alright, let's get around this junction. We're getting a little tour of the British countryside here, look. Right, there we go, we've got a bit straight here. Not too fast, 13, 14.
There we go.
Pull
I
and
don't think
hold.
there's no need to accelerate to 28 mile an hour to do it. As long as you're over 19, you're meant to be between 19 and 29. So that was 6.
There you go. Pull and hold. It does seem to be pulling it up a little bit sharper.
Seven.
One, pull and hold.
8.
Yeah. 12, 13, 14, 15, 17, 18, 19, 21. Again, we may be able to take it for a bit of a drive, but just for the sake of the video, we'll...
So the only thing we haven't done is let it cool fully between them.
Yeah. I'll give it a little bit of a further drive on this one.
But it's
Don't go over 30.
It's a cool, damp day. I can't see them getting too hot.
No.
And the squeaking stopped completely now.
Yeah. How many's that, Ian?
That was 10.
That was 10, was it?
Yeah.
No. Right, it's got... Let's see if we get one more out of him.
It seems to stop quicker and smoother now.
It still wants service mode. Let's get around this corner.
I don't know if that'll cancel or whether you have to
just go over
cancel
30.
it.
You maybe just
so
go...
either just shut the engine off or
Try going over
go
30.
over 30.
Right, we'll give one more go, then we'll go over 30.
Those two things should cancel it.
Alright, 21, 22, pull and hold.
It doesn't seem to go off by itself.
Right, it doesn't seem to go off by itself. We've done more than 10 now. So let's now get up above 30 if I can down this windy road. There you go. 28, 29, 30.
So yeah, that's cancelled it.
That's cancelled it.
The flashing red has gone off and we've just got our low fuel warning now.
So, there you go. That's how to reset your brakes. Hope that helps you. We're going to go and fill up with fuel now.